Hello, in this video we're looking at Danfoss district unit. I've taken the cover off. It's a styrofoam cover. It comes off very easily. Maintains heat inside the boiler, which is quite a great idea. Now inside, where you can see the meter to calculate the customer's usage. Now if we look at it quickly, it does look complicated, but in fact it's so simple. So here you have the district supply of heated water, and it goes through these plate heat exchangers, just like in a combi boiler. Now this plate heat exchanger is for hot water, and this one is for heating. Sometimes these get blocked. For example, if the system is a bit rusty or it oxidizes, maybe there's a leak somewhere, and then there's fresh water introduced constantly, which has oxygen. It could create oxidization in the system, and over time, for example in summer, people don't turn their heating, and then this gets rusty and blocked, so it's very hard to get hold of these plates. So you have to clean them with sort of like cleaning chemicals. Next we're looking at also the expansion vessel, so that's linked to these. So the radiator pipes, and these are one is hot, one is cold, so it's cold water supply, and obviously that feeds the central heating system. You've got a few elements here. You have a temperature gauge, you have an air vent for central heating, you have an air vent for your district, but usually that's okay. Rarely you have to do that. Now there are a few thermostats. So one's here, that controls your, let me just move that controls your radiators. Now another valve, this is not really a thermostat, this is just a motor to turn the district supply on and off. So this sometimes leaks, so in fact we called out to replace this. This valve is quite difficult to get a hold of that, but we managed to do that. And this actuator motors are readily available in many merchants. All of this other bits and bobs, like this thermostat, it also controls heat to hot water supply, and you've got a pump. Now, one observation I made, and I'm not sure, probably Danfoss, Grundfos would probably not like me saying this, but if we look at this pump is supposed to be more powerful than UPM3 is supposed to be more powerful than UPS3. Now I agree that the motor itself has more features and is more powerful on the UPM3, but if you notice here, the impeller of the pump is actually smaller by about 25% compared to this. And every time I come to this unit, and people complain that there's only 2 or 3 radiators working and the rest are not working or cold, so I find 2 problems on these. One is this plate heat exchanger is blocked, or the pump. In fact, mostly the pump is not fit for purpose. So, guys, whenever you see this problem, ditch this. Put this one in, and guess what? You'll have all the radiators running hot. So that's a very quick overview, and in fact we covered most aspects of this boiler. Just to mention a few more, strainers are important also. If you get problems with your heating issues, it's also linked to this plate. Also, make sure you bang the expansion vessel to check if it's still full of air. It should be at 1 bar holding. It's quite a good sort of vessel. Looks like they may have replaced it already at some point. Well, that's it from me on this Danfoss pump. As you can see, there's this data plate. For more information, anyone working on these should now have a better understanding of what's involved in these sort of systems, so you don't have to get worried or stressed when you're on the job. It's quite a straightforward system. Thanks for watching. I'd like your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.